Hi everyone. I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving and you're enjoying your weekend following Thanksgiving, a long holiday. Hopefully you're getting some rest and had some yummy food like I did. We went to the neighbor's house and it was really good and we enjoyed the visiting. And anyway, I got a couple new products that I want to show you. One is a foundation called Luminess. You've probably seen it everywhere, TikTok. I got it from Luminess, I think, with a discount. It comes with this brush. It has a little angled end and it has a straight end. And what you do, it's wonderful. And real quick, I'm going to tell you a story. I was in Colorado, if you saw any of my videos, and we had a great time, but I was lifting the back gate of a SUV and it had a glass piece that you lift up, and I lifted it up. Well, I didn't know that it was coming down, and it came down right on my eye right here, and it swelled up right here, and it left like a, it's getting much better now, but it left like a little bruise right here. And so I am so thankful to have this makeup because it actually covers it, and so it's amazing, and that's why I really wanted to share it with you. So you take the little top off, like I did, and it literally sounds like spray paint. It's like what it is, but it's makeup. So, and then you take your little brush and you spray just enough, like I'm going to show you. You're going to spray just enough to cover the brush, like that. Put it down. And then I'm going to, you see where it's a bruise? I'm just going to pat it like that. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Talk about like good coverage. You know, you always hear about these things and then you're like, really? I'm sure. Like it says it covers tattoos that are like that you don't want to show for different events or whatever. And like I have a little bruise, stupid accident with the car. I'm not going to open that gate thing ever again. I'm just going to open the whole gate instead of just the glass part. So glad it didn't cut my eye or it didn't do any damage, serious damage. It was swollen on my eyebrow for a few days and I had to take some ibuprofen, but I was just real lucky. But look at that. See the good coverage? I don't know if you can tell. So that's the Luminess Silk Foundation Spray Brush Foundation. I highly suggest. I'll put a link in the description below. And while you're doing that, please go ahead and like and comment if you have any questions, and subscribe too. Okay, thank you. Now we're going to switch. I have one more product. Okay, today I'm going to be using my Lange 2-in-1 dryer that has a triangle shape edge. Brush dryer, 2-in-1 brush dryer. Let's see, I'll show you where you can see it. This is Lange. And I'm starting with damp hair. I got the brush. It came with a couple of products, and I'm just going to show you the products that I have from Lange. First one I have is this Salt and Sea, and that's what you want to put on like when your hair's damp like mine. You could put the texturizing spray and just kind of fluff it up with that and just go. It makes your hair look like a beach wave. Okay, so that, I love that. These are the two new ones I haven't tried yet and that I am using today. Especially this one. It's called Glass, and it's a thermal primer. It's a thermal primer for heat and getting it ready for your blowout. So it's called thermal primer heat for blowout. So I'm going to try that today. It's called Glass. So it's supposed to make it look really smooth. And then I have this one, and this is to help for heat protection and to reduce the humidity frizz in your hair. I'm just going to use this one today. It's called Glass. So what they say to do is start with your clean hair. And what I did is I just dampened my hair. I always keep, you'll always keep a bottle of water that you can just buy a generic bottle and put water in it or whatever you want to use. And I just spray my hair to get it damp again. Like if it dries before you get a chance to do your blowout a little bit and you need it to be a little bit more damp, you can always add the spray water. And this is what I do. So, if it's not just washed and you want to blow it out. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and dry that. So let's spray, and it said to spray this glass polish on your hair, like to make sections is what it says, but I'm always a person that does sections. But anyway, just to make it get on the hair really well. So let's just do what it says. Even though I'm going to tell y'all, I kind of don't do always exactly what the instructions say. Okay, so I'm really more concerned, y'all, with the front of my hair than I am with the back. Just because on the front I have highlights, and that's really what shows too for me. And everybody has different stuff, but my hair gets really frizzy from the humidity. I live in Texas by the coast, and so yeah, so humidity often kills our hairstyles. So I feel like I've done enough of it. Okay, so that's a heat. It's called glass, and it's to prime your hair for a blowout. Okay, so that's what we're going to do now. And we're going to use this 2-in-1 Lange brush dryer. And I'm going to go ahead and put the heat to high, and I hope you can hear me. Look, I think I'm going to put it on low so that you can hear me. So you just take like little sections. That's not going to work. I'm going to have high. Just take little sections and take it through the dryer. I hope you can hear me. You can use the round side, or you can take it and make it more of a straightening by using the flat side. Wow, it looks pretty good. I don't know if you can tell. Can you tell? What I do to lift is I take it and I put the pointy side and I put it at the root and then pull it up like that. And that gives you a little lift. And if you're noticing, if you watch my other videos, I've cut about 3 inches off my hair. So this is a new thing that I've been putting it up a lot. So I thought that maybe just try something new over Christmas, have a little shorter hair, and then it'll grow back. We have to take care of our hair and try not to use too much heat without using any protectant on it, because it really can break it off and make it thin out. And if you're not in your 20s like me, or 30s, or even 40s, you want to make sure you take care of the hair that you have, because people, like, as we get older, it seems like our hair starts to get thinner, so we just want to take care of it. I don't wash my hair every day. I wash it probably every other day. Sometimes I'll go 2 days without it, just because I have more of a normal to dry hair, and it just doesn't need it. So if you don't, like, it's like washing clothes. If you don't need to wash it, it doesn't smell, it doesn't have any stains on it. I mean, like you prepared, you know, you could wear it, you could keep it without washing it every single time. But, I mean, if it's dirty, it's dirty. I'm gonna wash it. If I've been sweating a lot. I kind of brush it like over too, just to. Okay, so that's the difference. This is the blowout side. And I think that glass polish made it really look nice. I wonder if I use this thermal protectant anti-frizz, if that would help too. I'm trying it. It won't hurt. So just mainly right here is where I notice my frizz. Around the front. So just doesn't fit. This is called Magic, I believe. Yeah, I kind of like that. Okay, so now let's try this side. Take a little section. Oh, this is such a fun tool. I love it. And I hate to dry my hair. But this, like, makes you feel like a professional is giving the blowout that we like to get when we go to the studios and salons. They still do it better than us, but this gives us at least a way to try it on an everyday basis because we can't go see them every day, right? Maybe you do, but I can't. Okay, if you take these pieces right here, I've seen, like on TikTok or whatever, that you can take it. And there's a girl that I love to watch, Harmonized Beauty, and I learn a lot of tricks from her. So if you're watching, hi, I love your videos. You have beautiful hair, beautiful skin. Y'all look at that, Harmonized Beauty, and she has her own beauty line, Harmonized Beauty now too. I'm pretty sure this is where I got the idea for the launch from her. And I'll put these links in the description below. And again, please like and subscribe and comment and share if you like my videos, and I'd be glad to do some more. And in the description below, I'll put the link. I've gotten more of a following. I'm up to like, I think about 6,500. And I'm so excited, and I appreciate you guys so much. But what I need now is more views so I can be an actual YouTube partner and get paid when ads run. But it's going to take a long time, I think, for that to happen. Okay, so hopefully not, if it can get you to watch my stuff. There's a real funny video that I'll link with this of my boyfriend Sam and I riding an electric bike in downtown San Antonio. It's hilarious. Because we went to a concert to see Billy Joel and Sting. And I got tired of walking. Even though we were close, we were at the Plaza Hotel. They said it was a 4-minute walk, but it was so hot that it was like, it seemed like it was like 100 miles away. So we grabbed one of those electric bikes and rented it, and he drove, and I'm surprised we lived. Don't recommend that, but it is funny to watch. Okay, so that's supposed to lift it a little bit. And so that's, so let's do this one. That's for the humidity. Feels kind of like a hairspray. To keep it like in place. So my new haircut, yes, I did it myself. Sam helped me make it straight in the back. My hairdresser, every time I go to a hairdresser, they either say good job or they're like, we're gonna have to fix this. But it's the weekend of Thanksgiving. I don't think anybody to help me with my hair. I'm a last minute. I can't wait for an appointment. Like, I like to do it myself. Like in junior high school, my friends and I would do perms on our hair. I don't know if any of you were like of that age when we used to do perms to make it like, it was like in the 80s. Yeah, we make it curly all the time. Anyway, I feel like I'm happy with this. So that's my blowout for today. And again, the products are this thermal protectant magic and this primer blowout called Glass. And it's Lawn. And again, with the tool, Launch 2-in-1 brush dryer. So that's it for today for the hair tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you back on other videos. Please like and subscribe, share, comment, and I look forward to seeing you again. Thank you, and have a great day.